use the graph to write the system of inequalities. And what you should recognize is we have two parabolas, one that's opening up and one that's opening down. In particular, let's look at what this point is. This would be -4 on the y-axis. So I'm looking at this parabola here. Now that parabola goes through 2, 0 as well, and -2, 0. So what I'm wondering is this just y equals x squared minus 4, where we've taken y equals x squared, the most basic parabola, and shifted it down 4 units? Well, to get these intercepts, we would set this equal to 0 and solve, and you will see x squared minus 4 equals 0 yields the intercepts 2 and -2. So that is the equation of the parabola that's opening up. Well, notice that the parabola that's opening down would simply be the mirror image of that parabola. That is to say that we just need to go through and multiply the right side by a -1. So that would give me the equation of the parabola that's opening down, and of course its vertex is up here at +4 as seen by that. Well, now in terms of the inequality, what are we dealing with? Let's take and notice that it's the stuff inside the two of them. So if we talk about this parabola first, the one on the first equation, what we're interested in is the values of y that would be inside that parabola. And so the question is, for instance, 0, 0 would satisfy it. When I plug in a 0 here and a 0 here, I get 0 compared to -4. And 0 is greater than -4. So this inequality, y is greater than or equal to x squared minus 4. And of course, it's because the solid line tells us to use the equality part. What about the parabola opening down? Again, 0, 0 is a solution. So we would have 0 compared to 0, which is not going to change the +4, so 0 compared to 4. 0, of course, is less than 4, so this one would be y is less than or equal to -x squared plus 4, and that is our system of inequalities.